Oh, it's the Beach Race and Lightning McQueen is leading the way. Followed by Cal Weathers, Mary Clutchburn, and Tim Treadless. Well, Tim Treadless is battling with Mary Clutchburn. That's nothing. Man, I wish I could be in that race, Miss Sally. So then I could be with Lat and race with him. Well, maybe you will be, Mayor. What the heck is going on over here? I got sand on me. Hey, buddy, watch out! Whoa, Mayor, what are you doing? No! Mayor, I can't see, buddy. I can't see. Whoa! Pit stop. Try some organic fuel in my new movie that might be coming out later this year. Luigi. And it's a final lap. And wait, I'm a tow truck. I didn't get these cars back up. Cruz Ramirez is gonna look like she's gonna win. Mayor, Mayor, you gotta help. Mayor, you gotta help us so Cruz doesn't so we can go. I'm trying to move cars out of the way. Mayor, go, buddy. The winner is Lightning McQueen. What? Part 5 coming tomorrow.